guys, and welcome back to Budget Pro. In today's video we are going to be working on a project that we just got. It's a project that I've been trying to make for the past probably 3-4 years. Less than a week ago I got this other truck that for sure we are going to be restoring, and we are going to make it to look way better than it looks today. With you guys, the 1986 Nissan d21 pickup hardbody truck. This one comes with the C24 carbureted engine that is working, and it's pulling really good. The truck is a little bit up. It has a lot of details. We are working on them already. I already picked up some parts for it, and it's definitely going to be a really nice project to work on. As you guys can see, it doesn't have a bumper on the back. The guy that I bought it from, he was working on it. He lowered the back, which is like really good, And as you guys know, or the guys that know about this truck, we don't need anything for the front. We use like either loosen up the bolt to lower it, or tighten up the bolt to raise it out from the front suspension or the torsion bar. But it has these nice LED lights that we're definitely gonna keep. The bumper is bended, but I think I can pull it out and make it a little bit more straight, hopefully. If not, we're probably gonna go with the Toyota bumper. I think it looks way better. It was missing one of these things, these plastics on the hood, but I already got it and I already installed it in here. I'm probably gonna just paint them black, so they won't look different. The wheels, they were really either rusted and that dust that comes with the brake dust. And I started like cleaning them and wet sanding them with 2000 grit sandpaper, and it started to get the shine now. So I'm probably gonna continue doing that on the wheels. But we are missing these bands, and I already got them from the junkyard. I think the wipers, they don't even work. I don't know if it needs the motor, the wiper motor. It has this rust on top that we are gonna be taking care of, either sanding it, primer and painting, then polish it, as well as these rubbers from the door. It didn't used to open from this handle, but I already fixed that. So door panels are missing. The seat is really bad. The dash, it doesn't mark the miles or how fast are you going. I'm surprised that the fuel gauge is working, so that's good. At least we know we're not running out of gas or something like that, But it's in a stick shift, which is good. I like that. We have this full mirror, and then we have a brand new stereo, 2 new speakers, and we have a mic and Bluetooth, which is good. So the back window is really beat up. You guys can see all these parts where it just splits and then water can start getting inside. I already ordered a bunch of parts, and as you guys can see, all the paint looks faded all the way around, but as you guys can see, I already polished this part, and I know I can bring the shine on this paint back to life, So we are gonna try to do that as well. Let me show you guys the engine. The engine is I would say, it worked really good at one point, and then for I don't know where it just starts bugging or something like that. But I think we can work with that. It has a lot of new parts. The valve cover gasket is probably messed up, but we already got that part, and we are gonna fix it. It also has what it's called as you guys can see, these wheels, how bad they are right now. But another thing that we are having issues with is the drive shaft support bearing or something like that. I think that's how it's called. It's basically doing a rattling sound on the middle of the truck. One of the first things that we're going to be doing on the truck is basically changing the seats, because as you guys can see, these are in a really rough shape that it was one of the things that worries me, and I ended up buying. I got some from a Nissan Pathfinder that I got on the junkyard. I went with these seats because they're basically like a bolt-on from the Pathfinder to the hardbody. So I mean, it's pretty much just take off the old one and put this one. I did went with the 2000 and I think this is the new Frontier after the D21. I believe it's like a 2000 or something. But they come with the seats. The seats actually fit on the D21, but I guess one of the back bolts. I mean, there's nothing in there to put it on. You will have to like drill a hole and put a longer bolt. But we're gonna figure out how to put this center console here, because I don't have any cup holders on the truck right now, so I really want a cup holder. So yeah, let's go ahead and start taking off the old seat and start putting this on. Okay, we got one down and it's already looking good. I mean, I was having some issues trying to figure out the holes, but I mean, all the holes are there, and it's just basically just to bolt it on. Just make sure that whenever you're gonna put it on, I mean, the seat rails, I mean, they're either all the way back or all the way to the front. That way you have them all even. Otherwise one of them is going to be to the front and one of them is going to be to the back, and you're going to have some issues trying to align it with the bolts and the holes. So yeah, one down. Let's go for the other one. This is the way that I'm mounting the center console, and I'm actually really happy with the results. I actually made these brackets out of sheet metal, I mean, or thick piece of metal, you know. So I got one over here in the back and then another one in the front. So I sit on this on the seat, and I just basically just put my hand on the armrest here and just see where I was feeling good with it, you know, because every time you're driving, I mean, you always put your arm here on the armrest. So that was my purpose for that. So I think that was a really good position for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically screw everything in there and put the seats. And there we have them, guys. The Pathfinder seats on this Nissan D21 hardbody that actually look good. I like the center console, nice and solid, with a cup holder now that I didn't have. So I'm actually liking this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you guys like it. We are gonna jump next into do the back window, since this one is really noisy, but we're gonna be doing that on the next video. So if you guys like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe. That will really help me out, and see you guys into the next video. Thank you.